I think these have grown significantly in the interior design world over the past several years, and rightfully so. I think they make a room look rustic, but also chic. It's kind of weird. These are as heavy duty as they are stunning though. And the best part? The whole thing can be built for less than $250. So take that, Macy's. So if you're looking to replace that dining room table or want to put a new table on the back porch for barbecues, this is a great place to start. I mean, it's literally in the name. It's fancy. The really hard decision for me is what color stain, or if you're really feeling wild, what colors you would make this awesome table. What do you think? Cherry wood stain? Seahawks colors? You tell me. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I know I've had a blast, and I hope you have too. Check in tomorrow as I show you how to make wine float. Yes, that's right, floating wine. I'll see you then.